Welcome to our 3 days weather forecast from Nigeria Meteorological Agency. We begin today by looking at the satellite imagery for Tuesday. There is a system, a convective system over part of the northeast of Maiduguri, gradually growing to affect the city of Maiduguri and environs. And we have some thunderstorms events over part of the central cities of Kaduna and Abuja earlier today. A few thunderstorms also over part of Makurdi and some part of Lokoja in the south central of the country, and some thunderstorm as well over some few areas over the northwest of Sokoto and Kebbi. For highlights of our Tuesday evening's weather forecast, we expect some thunderstorms in the evening over part of the northeast of Maiduguri, part of Gombe and Bauchi, and also part of Jos and environ. We also expect thunderstorm over part of Kano and extending to part of the northwest of Sokoto and Guzo. We expect rain showers over most areas, predominantly over the southern inland and the coastal areas of both the southwest and the southeast. We expect thunderstorms over parts of Benue, Makurdi, Obudu, and some parts of Enugu as well. For high-impact activities around the country, we expect moderate rains of rainfall of about 30 millimeters or more over part of Kano, Jigawa, Bauchi, and environs, where there are also chances of rainfall leading to flash floods over parts of Kaduna and some part of the FCT. We also expect some moderate rainfall over part of Cross River and Taraba in the southern and central of the country. We expect temperature over the north to range between 30 to 32 over most cities. Maiduguri is likely to report the highest of about 32 degrees Celsius, while Kebbi should also follow suit with a daytime high of about 32 degrees Celsius. Around the central cities, we expect 29 degrees Celsius over part of Kaduna, while Abuja is likely to report a maximum temperature of 31. Over the southeast coast, we expect most areas to report 31 degrees Celsius in places around Port Harcourt, Yenagoa, and Warri, while Lagos and environ will have temperature within 28 and 30 degrees Celsius. Going into Wednesday, we expect some thunderstorms as well, most essentially over part of Zaria and part of the northwest of Kebbi, going into part of Niger, where there are likelihoods of rain showers over part of Bida and Mina. Part of Abuja as well are likely to see some localized rain showers, while some areas around the central cities are still likely to have some slight sunny spells in the morning hours. We expect rain showers over the inland of the southwest as well, while the coast of the southeast, with areas around Warri, Yenagoa in mind, are likely to have rain showers in the morning as well. We expect afternoon to have further sporadic thunderstorms over most part of the north of the country, starting from part of Yobe to part of Kano, Katsina, to part of Sokoto. We expect the central areas as well, places around Kaduna, Bauchi, part of Jos, and part of Bida Mina to also have thunderstorms in the afternoon. And we expect most areas in the southern inland and the coastal areas to also have thunderstorms and rainfall in the afternoon as well. For high-impact weather forecasts around the country on Wednesday, we expect areas where significant amount of rainfall are expected to be concentrated around parts of Kaduna largely, to some part of Niger and part of the FCT as well. These areas are places where we could have runoff leading to flash floods. Areas in green are places where we do not expect any hazardous weather at all. We expect temperatures over most cities in the north to range between 30 to 33. Maiduguri is still likely to lead the pack with about 33 degrees Celsius. Around the central cities, we expect temperatures around 29 to 30 degrees Celsius, while over the south, temperatures are still not likely to change beyond what we expected on Tuesday over most of the southwest and the southeast, where temperatures of about 28 to 31 degrees Celsius are likely to be reported. We also expect Thursday to start with some morning activities over part of the northwest of the country. Areas around Kebbi and part of Yewa are likely to see some significant rainfall on this particular day. We expect the northeast of Maiduguri and Yobe to also have some thunderstorms in the morning, while around the central cities of Abuja, Kaduna, Lafia, Bida, Mina, we expect predominantly rain showers in most cities while we expect it to be cloudy over the coast of Lagos, while some rain showers are also likely over part of Port Harcourt, Eket, and Uyo in the southeast coastal areas. We expect afternoon to also afford us some thunderstorms over significant area of the northwest of the country, ranging from Kano to part of Guzo, while around Kaduna, part of Niger, and also parts of Taraba are likely to see thunderstorms in the afternoon. Over the coastal areas and their inland states, we expect rain showers over most cities in this particular region. We expect the high impact forecast for this particular day to give significant rains over parts of Kebbi. These areas where we expect some cases of flash flood to be reported over Kebbi and also part of Sokoto and Zamfara, albeit some moderate rainfall are expected over Sokoto and Zamfara. Also over part of Adamawa and Taraba, there are also chances of moderate rainfall, which might not necessarily lead to a lot of floods in these areas, but people in this area should watch out for high precipitation as well. We expect temperature on Thursday over the north to rise over part of Kano and part of Jigawa to about 32 and 31 degrees Celsius respectively, while around the central cities, temperatures are likely to drop over Kaduna to about 28 degrees Celsius. Over Abuja, temperatures are also likely to drop to about 26 degrees Celsius, while as we go to the southern inland and coastal areas, we still expect temperatures to range between 31 to 32 degrees Celsius over the southeast, while Lagos and environs are likely to have temperature rise to about 30 degrees Celsius. And that's where we'll leave you with this edition of the NIMES 3 Days Weather Forecast. In the course of the week, we'll give you updates as weather activities continue to unfold. I'm Olubi Adedamola, and thank you for watching.